Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question. This one's from the topic of simple harmonic motion from periodic motion. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. Okay, so a particle of mass undergoes simple harmonic motion with an amplitude A and a frequency F. What is the total energy of the particle? Well, if we have a particle, for example, a particle on a pendulum, it's going to be swinging backwards and forwards. Its total energy isn't going to change, but it's going to be, the form of that energy is going to be changed between gravitational potential and kinetic and gravitational potential, or a combination of the two. So what we could do is, if we could find its maximum velocity, then we'd find its maximum kinetic energy, and that would be equal to the total energy. So if we look on your data sheets, you'll see that Vmax, the maximum velocity, is equal to the angular velocity multiplied by the amplitude. You'll also see that angular velocity is equal to 2 pi the frequency. So I can substitute 2 pi f into this first equation, which will give me the maximum velocity is going to be equal to 2 pi frequency multiplied by the amplitude. And now, because I know the maximum velocity, I can use the kinetic energy equation. Kinetic energy equals a half times mass times velocity squared. And if I substitute 2 pi fa instead of v, I'll find out the maximum kinetic energy. So it's got half m and then 2 pi frequency and amplitude all squared. If you put those numbers into your calculator, you will discover that you get 2 pi squared m f squared a squared. And that is answer B. If this was useful, like, subscribe and share please, and watch more of these in the series. Thank you for watching.